All right. Good morning, guys. Today's 60-second daily reminder for your trading today is to remember to layer in, guys. Do not get overwhelmed. Do not get overexcited. Do not let FOMO take over when you see volume spikes or when you see something going really, really fast. Always initiate your positions either with one contract. When it breaks a key level, then you can go ahead and start adding 3, maybe 5, maybe 10. And of course, just adjust this according to your account size, guys. So if your account is normally larger account, then you can do 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. until you get to your maximum position size. But if your normal position size is going to be a total of 10, then you want to start out with maybe 1, 3, 5, you know what I mean? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Or 2, 3, 4. But just don't go all in and start maxing out your positions at 10, 20 right away just because you see a little bit of action coming in. Always exercise that discipline and get that money. Have a good day today, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.
More money, more money! Ah, it's all very exciting.